going to be opening this jumbo slime kit set.
Mm.
And it has 126 slime and mix-ins.
Mm.
And 28 color slime. So, let's get opening. It goes to 5 and up, so I'm good. I'm good. Wait, it has glitters in it like the last one. Oh my gosh, these are way cooler glitter. Oh my god. This is so much stuff to go through in this video.
Oh, wow.
Look at the red fishbowl. Oh. Okay, so we have fruits again, animals, desserts, and animals. Like butterflies.
Ooh, pretty.
Okay, look how much fish. I'm gonna go with fish bowls. Okay, so first color rainbow. We have red fish bowl. No orange. And then yellow.
Cool.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Green, blue, purple, and then rainbow.
Awesome.
Okay. I know. I literally just saw that. Okay, so let's move on to the clays. So I have
Wow.
pink, skin color, yellow, green, and red.
I'm super excited about one thing in here. How'd you guess?
Because I saw you pointing at it. Okay, so next is the glitters. Oh, and I have blue clay. I forgot in there.
Oh.
Okay, next is up. It's the glitters, my mom's favorite. Mine is, okay, so we have blue, pink, green, and gold, my mom's favorite. Okay, and then we have glow-in-the-dark palettes to pour in.
Never seen those before.
And beads. Rainbow, blue, pink, yellow, red, and rainbow.
Beads for days.
Ugh. Okay. Then silverware. I don't know what it's called, but I just call it silverware. These again.
Hey, don't break them. To make desserts.
And then sand things. Whatever they're called.
Look at all those colors.
Okay. Let's get started.
Cool. You just want to show us?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna all individually? I don't think we need to do that.
Yeah.
How many are there though? 1, 2,
28.
6, 7, 8.
28, Mom.
You're right. How'd you know? Did it say on the package? That makes
28
sense.
color slime.
Awesome. All right, guys, that's this
No,
kit.
we're going to open one.
We are gonna open one.
Yes.
I don't think we should on your bed. We
No.
should go to the slime studio.
No, wait. We'll put it on the box and play with it. Okay, let's go with...
Yes, we can. Pick one, anyone. Except we cannot open those beads in your
I'm going
room.
to close my eyes and peek up. We're not adding anything to it.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I'm going to close my eyes.
You're gonna say your dad will not be happy.
Mm.
Green it is.
Hey. Ow. Broke my nail slime.
Need some help there, sweet pea?
Yeah.
They make these child-proof, I think.
No, they don't.
And adult-proof, because I'm having trouble as well. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, because you need scissors.
Hmm?
Because you need scissors.
Scissors.
Yeah.
Scissors.
Scissors.
All right, y'all.
Finally!
If you're small, you might need a parent's help.
I'm not small.
I know, you're not. I'm saying if someone else is
Well,
opening this
I
kit.
don't have sharp teeth anymore.
You don't have fangs? Oh, it says age 5+.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't have a little top on it to open. It just comes. I bet it's so cold.
It's cold.
Oh. Jello jigglers.
Not yellow. Not yellow.
Looks pretty awesome.
Wait, if you look through here, it has
Looks
green
clear.
eyes, and it actually has green eyes.
Well, you guys have to stay tuned for this weekend's videos. We are gonna make some cool
No,
stuff.
tonight we are gonna make.
Oh, tonight? Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. Stay tuned tonight, baby. What's happening?
Your hands are scald.
It's cold?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
You gotta warn me when you do that. That was confusing. All right, guys. See ya. Bye.